We offer a full range of services in Eagan, such as hoarding, drug-related cleanup services, or biohazard services related to death, suicide, or homicides. In the past year, we have helped several clients in the Eagan area with these types of services, specifically death-related services. So the process for us really starts when the customer first calls. We'll gather the information that they have for us. We'll schedule a time to meet them on scene. And when we're there, we can go over the scope of work that we know needs to be done. And it depends on the job. We can start services, or we try and start services within 24 hours, sometimes a little faster depending on if the situation calls. Not hiring a proper company to do these types of services can lead to improper work. We provide critical services for biohazards, and we consider ourselves the industry professionals. We have third-party certifications for all our staff. They are all full-time. Unfortunately, it's pretty easy to say that you do biohazard services, when the reality is a lot of these companies just do fire and water services.